Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, do you know what, it feels like I've not done a video for ages because I've sort of like videoed ahead, but yeah, I need to catch up. I am late again with everything. So yeah, it's going to be a mad rush, I think. Right, what have I got for you today? Well, I have got a brand new digital release and something very special from the lovely Dawn from ShinySilverTreasures. So I got this gorgeous card, absolutely beautiful card. Yeah, I love it, and it's purple. So yeah, so I'm going to put that over there. We'll get to that little box in a minute. Right, I have got, move my pen out of the way. Have got some information to share with you, I think. Let me see. Yes. Okay. So what I have got in front of me is the new digital release. You can get it print and posted as well if you haven't got a printer. So yeah, and this is release 13. Can you believe it? 13 releases. Wow, amazing. And I'm just going to get into it and show you what I have. Okay, so move that out of the way. I have to put that back in so I don't forget which one it is. And these are part of the Cutesy Treasures, along with this gorgeous stamp set. So yeah, I'm so excited. So we do have ephemera. We also have it in the sheets as well. So, and right, let me see if I can get this down properly. So it's 8x8 papers. So you get it's times 2 plus ephemera. Each you can buy each as a bundle, or you can buy them separately. Yes, I think I've got that right. And don't forget, if you haven't got a printer, print and post, she's more than happy to do that for you. So we'll get onto these sheets. Right, so this, as you can see, is a Highland cow. And each one of these that I have represents a couple of the gorgeous crafty ladies from the design team. So this is Harry the Highland cow, and this is to represent Lorna Callaghan. She will be linked in the description box below, so please go over and check out her channel. She's absolutely amazing. She is so cute. So yeah, so we have the Highland cow, and to go with the Highland cow, we have shortbread, obviously, Scottish shortbread. So yeah, I think it's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love these. I cannot wait to get started playing with them. Amazing. Right, so that is the ephemera sheets. And this is to represent, you don't really hear from her much because, you know, life does get in the way slightly, but this is I think it's Sammy Lion. Correct me, Dawn, if I am wrong. I know you've told me 1,000 times, but yeah, I think it's Sammy Lion. Oh, look at that lion. Isn't that a gorgeous lion? She is beautiful. I'm calling her a she because of the gorgeous eyes. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And to go with Sammy Lion is a cup of tea, or a cup of coffee, or a cup of hot chocolate. Isn't that just amazing? That's just adorable. Right, okay, so let's get to the papers. And these papers are just amazing. Move that plastic out of the way. So these are the 8x8 papers, and you do get a strip at the bottom. So it's good quality card as well. So it's 2 of them. Oh, it's 3 of them actually. Is it? Oh, it's 4. So you get 4 sheets of that with a Highland cow at the bottom. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, love it. And then, if I'm right, it's 4 sheets of, yeah, 4 sheets of this paper. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love the neutrals. And then with this shortbread at the bottom, or shortcake. What's it called? Shortbread, isn't it? Yeah. Shortbread fingers. I love them. My favourite biscuits at the moment. So we have that. So that's the first set of papers. Now we have these. Sorry for the rustling. Plastic over there, out of the way. So there is 4. Am I right? Yes. So there is 4 sheets of, if I can separate them, the 8x8 papers with the lion strip at the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. Wow. You've done an amazing job, Dawn. And then it's the same pattern but different colour. So it's like neutral colours. I love these. Absolutely beautiful. So we have the papers and we have the strips at the bottom. Lots of fussy cutting to do. So we have them. Absolutely amazing. I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you. And more information, for the right information, pop over to Dawn's channel here on YouTube. And she, yeah, it's her paper. She has all the information. Right, okay, I'm going to put them aside and I'm going to show you this. Right, so in this little box I've got here, I hope you can see, is a new thing that Dawn is currently doing. There's her card. Let me just get everything out. Let's put everything back in properly. I'm probably missing a couple of bits because I did have a little play beforehand. So it is a jewellery making kit, and this one is called Spring Bling. I think it's an amazing name for her first jewellery kit. I do believe that the beads vary in colour. I just so happen to have not purple, green. I just so happen to have green ones, and they are glass beads with like little seed beads, awesome gorgeous colours in there. You have your lobster clasps. You have these oval connecting chain, can't remember what they're called. You have your wire. You can even make a bracelet, or, you know, a necklace, a keychain, you know, whatever it is that you want to make, you can make with this kit. You get, oh, she told me what these little things are called, and I had it in my head and it's gone. They're like crimping beads to stop your wire from coming out of these little things. I'll open it up, and I can't remember what these are called. They are in her shop, and it's these little things here. So you put your wire in, I'd put a knot in it, and then put your crimping bead either before the knot or after the knot. I'm not sure. Anyway, I will be doing a close-up video on this. Yeah, see how well that's gonna go. So yeah, so you get all of that in, And you also get like a little triangle tray to put your beads in, so it's easy for you. But if I can find it, where have I put it? Oh, I've lost it. It's like a bead tray, and I don't know where I've put it. Isn't that it? Oh, there. Oh well, she has these in her shop. So holds all your beads. It also measures your length of if you're doing a bracelet or a necklace. So yeah, she does have these in her shop. Let me put it there so I can find it. Also, she has a add-on with this jewellery kit, and it is, if I can find it, because I've just thrown everything in, it's like a jewellery, where is it, where have I put it? I can't find it. It's like an earring add-on. I've lost it. So it's like an earring add-on. There it is. Oh no, my bag split. I think there's other bits in it as well. Is it them? I think so. It's like an earring making kit. Everything you need to make a pair of earrings, basically. So if you get the, move this out. Ooh. Move this out of the way. Down there. So when you buy this, you can buy it alone, like on its own, or you can add this on for £1, I think. Yeah, it's a jewellery mini kit. I can't remember how much the mini kit is, but you can add the earring findings on for £1, and I think that is an awesome deal. You can't really go wrong with it, can you? I mean, you've got everything you need here to make a gift for somebody. You know, I think it's amazing, and I cannot wait to show you what it is I get up to with this kit. Like I said, it's going to be a close-up, so I don't know how well that's going to go down. So yeah, so 2 releases this time, which is the gorgeous, I don't even know if you can see anything. I'm going to stand up and have a look. You can see some of it. So we've got the gorgeous digital kit, which you can get printed and posted if you want it. And you also get the jewellery making kit with the earring findings as an add-on for £1. I don't think that's bad at all. So yeah, I think you'll probably find it in Dawn's online shop, ShinySilverTreasures. Will be linked below, under digital releases, and it's called the Cutesy Treasures. And obviously the jewellery will be under jewellery. So yeah, please check out the description box below for all the information that you will need. And that's it, I think. I don't think I've got anything else to tell you. I probably have, and I've forgotten. I do write everything down, but yeah, sometimes it slips my mind if there's anything else that I need to remember. Anyhow, I'm going to let you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to buy this, because it is amazing. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye-bye for now.